why are we up before 12 o'clock on a Saturday? On a Sunday, it's Sunday, wow. On a Sunday, you might ask. Well, one, my camera's bouncing back and forth, and two, there's an oil leak on the Tahoe. So, yeah. So we figured that out last night right before I went to that truck meet. And so she's already up at the shop. She's been up there for like an hour or something. She's up there getting them to look at it. So I'm heading up there. Maybe I gotta pick her out on it. But we're gonna go find out what the deal is. Hopefully it's something real small. If not, we're fucked. That's pretty much the, you know, pretty much where we're at right now. So I will make the little ride over there and see you guys when we get there. It's like this little thought just really hit me on the way over here to go check out the truck. Stop letting the little losses overshadow the little wins. Every day you're gonna have little things, little W's that you get, right? That you win. You know, you got a couple followers on Instagram, a couple subscribers on YouTube, you got a $5 tip, whatever the hell it is. Stop letting those little things get taken over by somebody saying something mean to you, or reading a bad comment, or a video not getting as many views as you want it to. You know, a lot of these things I preach to you guys because I deal with the same shit every day. This is why I'm telling y'all this. I deal with this same shit, and it aggravates me that I can't fix the way that I think, so I portray it to you guys to try and help you guys. And that's just the point I'm trying to make. Stop letting the little losses overpower your daily little wins. Daily bread, preach of the day. Let's get this fucking bread. Oh, it's a woman driving. Woman driving. So we got good news, and bad news. The first bad news is I left my lights on all night last night because we went to that truck meet. The good news is it did not kill my battery. And then I've got another set of good news and bad news. The good news is the leak on the truck is not that bad. The bad news is it is worse than we thought it was. So we're all over the place right now. So both oil pans, upper and lower, are leaking on the Tahoe right now. Not very bad, but they're leaking a little bit. And the pinion bearing on the front of the rear differential, the seal has broken, and that is leaking as well. So I need a drink. Yeah, it's really not that bad. I can fix all of it at work. The lower oil pan, you just drain the oil. That one's easy. You really just take off the sway bar, really, and you can take that one off. The upper oil pan's what sucks. You might have to take off the rack, and you definitely got to take off the cross member. And the rear seal, I don't know how to, I might be able to do that at work. If it's just the seal, hopefully you don't have to take the whole differential apart. You can do the seal from the outside on the front where the drive shaft is, hopefully. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So expect me to make a stop by the liquor store here in a little bit, because I was already stressing, and now I'm a lot better. Not really, but we're going to Target. Yay. But I'll see you guys when we get there. my boy Poppin' Clutches on YouTube. Make sure y'all go check him out on YouTube. He got some 26x14 TIS wheels, I believe, the other day, and we went and, you know, kind of reviewed them on the channel. We got him on video saying if we got more than 5,000 views on that video, that he would let me test fit them on there and potentially take it to a truck meet with the wheels on it. Now that video is over 7,500 views now, or I think somewhere right around there. So we definitely got to do it. And he just called me and got off phone, said people are coming to see him, like trying to take pictures with him at Nopi and Myrtle Beach this weekend. Unfortunately, I couldn't go, but it just, like, there's no feeling like that when you can build something big enough that people want to see you. They want to, like, they appreciate you, not just a truck or a materialistic item. They love what you're doing, what you stand for, and it really touches me that I can not only build something like that for myself, but include other people in that success. It really blows my mind. And I'm getting all like motivational and shit today because I've been in a weird mood. My mind's been kind of down a little bit mentally, and so I went for a drive. We went and a lot of you didn't watch this video, some of you might have. We went to a vineyard the other day and did some wine tasting for Christina's birthday. And it was just like a real nice place, real cool place. So that's actually where I'm headed right now. I'm gonna go pick her up a bottle of wine, but I really just wanted to ride out here. I don't have her with me, there's nobody in the truck. I just want to ride out here and just kind of clear my head a little bit and really share that vibe with you guys. So some of this video will be a little cinematic, you know, with some music and stuff, but that's just the vibe that we're on today, you know. The truck's got the Tahoe's got an oil leak on it, and the pinion bearing seal, and, you know, it's just not good news for the day. So I'm trying to find a way to, you know, clear your head, you know, stay positive and keep moving. So I hope you guys enjoy the vibe.
Hola.
What you doing?
Being cute. Being cute. You're so cute.
You gonna tell the people how you ate my notebook?
You ate the blinds too.
And you
ate the blinds.
And you ate the blind. Yeah, look. Y'all notice how there's only one set of blinds?
He ate the blinds
on the front window. I wonder whose fault that was. With your tongue hanging out?
Mine.
Yeah, that guy. Right there.
This one. He's so cute.
Just to give you guys a quick update, finish off the video today. The upper and lower oil pan are leaking, definitely fixable. It's just gonna take some labor, which I can do at work, so we don't have to pay any labor. You know, we gotta caulk. We gotta caulk. The bottom oil pan, I believe, is just some sealing, some silicone, some sealant, whatever it's called. And then the top one is a gasket that we can order from Napa or AutoZone or whatever the hell. And then the back pinion bearing seal is leaking. That's something that hopefully we can fix without having to tear the rear end out, take the drive shaft off, and you just replace that seal. So everything will be okay, no need to be alarmed. The Tahoe is gonna be okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Had a great day, great vibes, love the vibes. So we're on the road to 10K, on the road to 100 days. Stick with us, we're gonna get there, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get it. You already know what I'm about to say. I hope you guys like the content today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.